Paws, the new iPhone 17. It's amazing. I really want one.
It is very shiny, dear. Maybe we can look into it later. Don't you worry, Whiskers. I promise I'll find a way to provide for us. Here you go, fresh off the griddle.
Oh, they look wonderful. Best pancakes in the city.
Here are your groceries, Mr. and Mrs. Rabbit.
Oh, thank you so much, Paws. We appreciate it. I can't wait to see it.
You're gonna love it.
It's amazing, Paws. Absolutely stunning. I knew you'd love it, Whiskers.
This is for you.
Thank you so much.